Hi, my name is Richard Morgan. I'm the Head of Innovation and Engagement within WISER at University of Wales, Trinity St David. The SMART Digital Accelerator project is a group of experts brought to us from industry who will work with manufacturers across Wales to be able to look at digital technologies and how they can be deployed to support companies in addressing challenges which they face and to help them adopt digital technologies. So the Digital Accelerator project is fully funded by Welsh Government. It's delivered by University of Wales, Trinity St David, and is supported by the Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre in North Wales, AMRC Cymru. Manufacturing is integral to the future well-being of Wales. We need to ensure that manufacturing industry is prosperous, it's efficient, it's resilient, and it's thriving. Manufacturing has got obviously a long history in Wales, and it's part of our national story. It's the largest contributor in terms of gross value added to the Welsh economy. It provides fantastic employment opportunities to thousands of individuals and scores of communities. However, manufacturing is in the midst of profound change. Digital technologies offer companies, large and small, promising opportunities, but also significant challenges. With so many new technologies becoming available, it can be really difficult to identify the ones that are right for your business and the ones that will help you to solve your problems, the ones that you face now and the ones in the future. But with the support of the SMART Digital Accelerator, you can capitalize on new opportunities and grow an organization and improve your competitiveness. So this is a valuable opportunity for manufacturers to access a diverse team of talented individuals that have been drawn from industry and academia. Our programme follows three main stages: to understand your current position, your current circumstances, and your future business plans. We then look to establish what is stopping you from achieving those plans and from adopting technology, and we then look to recommend technology that is appropriate to your bottom line. Our team will work alongside you to identify where digital technologies could be deployed to address your challenges. So the technologies that we can help you take advantage of are things like digital simulation. These are sometimes referred to or broken down into digital twins and augmented reality and virtual reality, mixed reality platforms. We can look at automation, robotics, cobots or collaborative robots, and other enablers of mass customization. We can look at industrial digital technology, so artificial intelligence and how that can be used, data, big data and data analysis, and Internet of Things. By the end of the process, you'll receive a highly personalized assessment that will make measurable and meaningful impact to your business. I think the key thing with this project is that we were looking not to just provide you with information and provide you with support and guidance in terms of technology, but we're actually trying to understand what your significant challenges are and how those can be addressed using technologies, digital technologies and emerging technologies. So we're really looking forward to working with manufacturers across Wales to understand their challenges and to help them deploy and build upon digital technologies within those organisations to support them in moving forward and meeting their goals.